Good morning, students. You are most welcome to Samdarya School e-learning channel. This is your science book for class 5. The book is written by Shivani Gupta and published by Spirit Publishing House. There are 13 chapters in your book. So we will start with the first one. The first chapter name is Food Habits of Animals. As all human beings need food to live, in the same way, all animals need food to live, to stay healthy, and to grow. Animals do not make their own food. They depend on plants and other animals, insects, directly or indirectly for food. Animals too have senses organs that help them to survive in the surroundings they live in. They find the food with the help of their sense organs. Now we will talk about dog. A dog is the most trusted domestic animal for man. All dogs have strong sense of smell. They use this sense to find their food. A dog likes to chip a bone and it can find it even if it is buried in the soil. Therefore, one can often find a dog sniffing here and there. Because of their sniffing ability, dogs are also used in rescue operations. Fact to know, the dogs are trained to smell the drugs, explosive, dead bodies, etc. Now we will talk about ants. Ants can quickly detect their food with the help of their antennae. Their antennae are fixed to the front head, which contain the sense of smell, taste, and touch. A pair of antennae which are long and thin is the identifying feature of an ant. It keeps on tapping the ground with its antenna to find the vegetation and other food sources. Antennae are the useful organs of an ant. When an ant finds a huge store of food, it quickly communicates with other ants. Therefore, a large number of ants gather quickly near the source of food. Now, let's discuss about snakes. Snakes and lizards have a pair of sensory organs located at the roof of their mouth. Snakes have deep pits on each side of its head between the eye and nostril. These pits are very sensitive to the heat that is radiated from the body of other organisms. These features help the snake to find their prey even in darkness. Eagle. An eagle can spot a mouse in a field from high up in the sky. Eagles are a group of birds that includes kites, hawks, buzzards, vultures. Eagles are known for their powerful vision, aerial skills, and courage. These features help the eagle in hunting their prey. Eagles are capable of catching fish with their claws while flying. They can see their prey on ground or even in water when they fly high in the sky. Sometimes they also snatch fish from other animals. After catching his food, eagles take to some higher elevations to eat his food when their other animals cannot reach. Do you know? Female eagles are larger than males. They are 1 meter long with a wingspan of 2 meters. Oh, it's a tiger. You know, tigers have tremendous power and speed to catch their prey. The stripped skin helps them to camouflage. Tiger has excellent hearing power that helps them to accurately judge the distance of the prey. They can kill any animals except an adult elephant and rhinoceros. Tiger prefer to catch deer, summer, wild bear, goat, etc. Now we will study about bats. Bats are nocturnal animals or they are active only during nights. They make soar in night that guides them to fly and detect their prey. Bats have modified hands and feet that serve as wings. Bats' strong vision in the twilight help them to find their prey. Although bats have been treated negatively in history as well as mythology, they are often called frightful creatures of night. But how it has been found that the bats are very environmental friendly? They help in pollination of plants. They are the natural enemies of night flying insects and pests. Bats have the best hearing of all land animals. They often have huge ears compared to the rest of the body. Do you know? Bats are the only mammals that are capable to fly. Now, let's study about fish. Fish is an aquatic animal. Fish has a special organ called the lateral line helps to fish detect the nearness of other fish or organism before it can see the organisms. Some animals live in deep water of ocean where the sunlight cannot reach.
1.
At this depth, the prey is located with echolocation. The shark has a powerful sense of smell and it can detect odors of other animals even hundreds of meters away. Cat. A cat's whiskers act as very sensitive feelers. These special hair stick out from the cat's cheeks and chin and above its eyes. A cat tends to be most active at night. Whiskers help it feel its way around in the dark. Now we'll talk about insects altogether. In insects, hearing organs are present as very tiny membrane to hear distant sound. They are not confined to the head but can occur in different locations depending on the ground of insects. Spiders and cockroaches have hair on their legs which are used for detecting sound. Crabs have hair on claws and other parts of the body to detect water current and vibration. Cricket can hear using their legs. Sound waves vibrate a thin membrane on the cricket's front legs. Grasshoppers have hair all over the body to detect air movement. There are some animals who have sticky tongue for catching insects, worms, etc. Animals like crocodile and snake can open their mouth very wide so they swallow their prey whole. Different feeding habits in different animals. The feeding habits of the animals differ greatly to each other. Some animals eat plants, some eat animals, and some eat both plants and animals. Firstly, we'll study about herbivores. Animals that eat plants only are called plant-eating animals and have sharp front teeth for chewing. Example, sheep, cow, horse, etc. They only eat plants. Now it's carnivorous. Carnivorous is just opposite to herbivorous, as herbivorous animals only eat plant, but in carnivorous animals they eat flesh of other animals. So animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivorous. Flesh eating animals have very sharp pointed teeth for tearing flesh and strong grinding teeth to chip the flesh and bones of animals they catch. Example, tiger, cheetah, eagle, vulture, etc. And the third is omnivorous. Omnivorous include both carnivorous and herbivorous, as animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous. Example, chimpanzee, dog, cat, etc. So finally the chapter is over, and there are some points which you have studied in the chapter. Recall it. Now test yourself. Take the correct option. Pause the video and write it in your copy and fill it. This is your homework. And also the fill in the blanks with the correct words. This also write down in your copy and fill it. So dear students, hope you enjoyed the video. Complete your homework. It's going to be checked after the lockdown in school. Thanks for watching. Students, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.